all the students. This is my lecture on measurements, which is chapter number 1 of first year physics. In nature, everything around us is classified into two branches. The first branch is of biological sciences and the second branch is of physical sciences. Biological sciences are related to the living things, whereas the physical sciences are related to the non-living things. In physical sciences, various disciplines are discussed, like physics, chemistry, astronomy, geology, etc. Physics is an important and basic part of physical sciences. It is mainly the study of energy and matter and interaction between this energy and matter. Physics is an experimental science and the scientific methods require accurate measurements of various physical quantities. This chapter is about the understanding of measuring techniques of various physical quantities. There are three main frontiers of physics. The first frontier, this frontier is related to extremely large objects like universe. This frontier is related to the creation and the expansion of the universe and the well-known Big Bang phenomena. Second frontier is related to extremely small objects like electrons, protons, neutrinos, muons, mesons, neutrons, etc. Third frontier is related to middle-sized objects which are ranging in size from molecular level to the level of the Earth. There are various studies which come under the domain of areas of physics like mechanics. Mechanics deal with displacement, velocity, acceleration, and motion due to force. Thermodynamics related to heat energy. Optics related to the vision, further sound. Quantum mechanics. This mechanics is related to electron, protons, atomic size level and subatomic size level objects. Further atomic physics. This is related to the objects which are of atomic sized, and nuclear physics, which is the study of the nucleus and various protons, neutrons, and other mesons, neutrinos, etc. within the nucleus. Further, plasma physics, solid state physics, molecular physics, these are also the areas of physics. When we merge physics with other fields, then it will come under interdisciplinary areas of physics domains. The first one is astrophysics. When we combine the study of celestial bodies like astronomy with physics, then it will become astrophysics. Further, when we uh, combine living things with physics, then it will become biophysics, chemical physics, which is physical chemistry, engineering physics, geophysics, medical physics, which is also termed as health physics, and physical oceanography. Physical oceanography is the study of physical conditions and physical processes within the ocean, especially the motions and the physical properties of ocean water. Medical physics deals with the treatment of various body ailments by using radiations. Geophysics is linked with the physical processes and physical properties of the earth and surrounding space environment. Further, engineering physics, the study of engineering physics emphasizes the application of basic scientific principles to the design of equipment, which includes electronic and electromechanical systems for use in measurements, communications, and data acquisition. Okay, this is a brief introduction to physics, which covers the first topic of the first chapter of first year physics.